How to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer photos and videos from iPhone to your PC. So let us begin. So first, what you'll need to do is you'll need to connect your iPhone and your PC. You can use your charger for that, use a data cable, and just connect it. After you connect it, you should get a pop-up. So let us check that. So you can head over to your files and under files, head over to this PC. And inside this PC, you will see your Apple iPhone. So open that up. And since you are not seeing anything here, the reason can be that you have not been given the permission to see. The reason can be that you have not been given permission. Now to gain permission, you can simply head over to your iPhone and then select share. Now what you'll need to do is open this up. After you open this up, you will see a lot of folders here. You can head over to anyone and then you will see a photo. Now, after you find the photo or a video, all you need to do is copy this, tap on copy, head back, and then you can paste it wherever you want. So let me just paste this here. Now it's right over here. Let me bring that. And that is how you can share your photos and videos in your laptop from your iPhone. And yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.